Welcome back to Techiza. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most legendary motorcycles ever built, the Suzuki Hayabusa. A name that defines speed, power, and prestige. From its jaw-dropping top speed to its timeless design, the Hayabusa isn't just a motorcycle, it's a global icon in the world of superbikes. The birth of a legend. The story of the Hayabusa began in 1999, when Suzuki decided to build a motorcycle that could break all limits. At the time, the goal was simple: to create the fastest production motorcycle in the world. The name Hayabusa itself means peregrine falcon in Japanese, a bird famous for being the fastest in nature. And just like its namesake, the bike soared past the competition, reaching speeds of over 300 km per hour, shocking the entire motorcycle industry. Design and aerodynamics. Every curve of the Hayabusa is designed for performance. Its aerodynamic body cuts through the air with minimal resistance, giving it a sleek and aggressive presence. The signature dual headlamp, muscular tank, and flowing lines aren't just for show, they serve a purpose: speed, stability, and control. Over the years, Suzuki has refined its design, keeping the soul of the original alive while modernizing it with LED lighting, premium finishes, and a more sculpted stance that commands respect on the road. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Hayabusa lies a 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, tuned to perfection. Producing around 190 horsepower, this machine delivers an adrenaline rush like no other. The acceleration is so smooth yet ferocious that it takes you from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 3 seconds. Suzuki's advanced electronics, including ride modes, traction control, quick shifter, and launch control, ensure that the power is always under control. It's not just fast, it's intelligent speed riding experience. What truly makes the Hayabusa special is how it feels to ride. Despite being a powerhouse, it's surprisingly comfortable, built for long-distance touring as much as for high-speed thrills. The balance between power, comfort, and control makes it one of the most versatile superbikes ever produced. Whether cruising on highways or hitting the track, the Hayabusa delivers pure satisfaction to every rider. The icon that redefines speed. Over the decades, the Hayabusa has earned cult status. It's been featured in movies, music videos, and countless drag races around the world. For many enthusiasts, owning a Hayabusa isn't just about riding, it's about being part of a legend. Even today, with newer superbikes in the market, the Hayabusa remains a benchmark, a symbol of engineering excellence and fearless innovation. Conclusion: why the Hayabusa still rules. In 2025, the Suzuki Hayabusa continues to dominate hearts and roads alike. It stands as a perfect blend of power, performance, and prestige, proving that true legends never fade, they evolve. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Hayabusa, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Techiza.